Ako magagawa?
Oo. At, sige, so.
Di ba pwede kamay lang?
1 tablespoon.
Tangi, pwedeng kamay lang, walang mukha. Kunwari ako kasi.
Post na natin sa YouTube channel mo yun eh.
Kaya nga, hindi pwedeng wala ako, kamay lang.
Bakit kami nasa YouTube channel mo?
Okay lang lang.
Pinapost mo nga kami.
Hindi para kayo nagagawa, oh. Ako magsasalita, idadab ko.
Sabihin mo ano, bonding with my children. Sige, sino ka?
Sige, sa kayo magsisend ng instruction sa akin na kung paano. Kaya ano yan,
Baking lessons.
baking lesson 101.
Baking lessons. Huy! Ay, ito ata yun. Bake. Okay, ma. Go.
What?
Hi, guys! Uy,
Ay, oo nga pala, kailangan ko naman ito.
Hey, Super Dick. Orange wondering if Standard Hot Box has changed your mind.
Maka-copyright.
Okay, game. Sabi sa instruction.
Wait, hi ka muna.
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel!
So today, what are we doing today?
We are going to try making this chewy fudge brownie.
Yay!
First time to use the oven.
Ay, pwede natin yung water, oh.
Replace with milk.
It's hard to believe, but there's some folks here in the prison who don't care for me.
Pwede milk.
Milk na lang. Uubusin na natin yung milk house.
Scheduled defending league champs is our first game.
Anong gagawin ko?
Ano mo na? Kasi kailangan natin
Beat the egg first. Ito muna.
brownie mix. Brownie mix.
Hindi ba egg muna?
Kahit ano siguro.
Dito? Wala dito ko ilagay?
Sinabi ba halu-haluin lang.
Brownie mix. Oiled egg. Talaga ba? Egg na naman na. Nak, pahinti ni nurse, please. Ang bagal naman ng nurse ko.
Nurse talaga. Pwede assistant.
Nurse.
Yeah, nurse.
Are going to be the quarterback.
Ano, ang dami guys.
So, let me tell you something. In my prison, to get
Alam mo, tablespoon lang ang gatas.
I just want to do my 3 years and be done. 3 years before you assaulted Captain Canal.
Ang dami.
Now you can be with us for
3
a very
tablespoon
long
lang.
time.
Okay lang yun
Alam,
guys.
may peppers.
Fine, I'll do it.
Imagine, may pepper agad. Hindi pa nilagay ng pepper.
Baka heartbeat yan, ma.
Heartbeat.
Promise me you keep
Heartbeat ng
Captain Canal
itlog.
on my back. That's a deal.
It's embryo.
Guys,
Look at this. Look at this. There's a heart.
There's
a heartbeat.
Small mole.
Who's this? What the hell's a trio?
makababa.
Who's getting the team together? Play against who? They gone.
Uy, gago ka bumaba lang.
Are we just gonna stand up? Right?
Okay na yan. Ano mo na lang.
Bakit hindi ka kita? Ba't kami lang?
Lahat? Lalahatin ko ba?
Yes, everything.
Everything.
Siguraduhin yung aabusin natin itong lahat, ah. Baka ako na naman ang mag-ubot neto. Paano nyo nalaman 2 eggs sa isang ganito?
Kasi wala man siya sinabing per...
No, ma, no.
No? No more?
Mix
Oil,
it.
oil. Mix mo na din yung oil.
Bakit ang dami ng oil, promise?
Mix it very well, guys.
-2.
And then, get,
Wala pa tayo nito.
3 tablespoons of milk.
Masarap.
Here is the milk. Uy, baka gusto nila makita.
Guys, this is how the brownie looks like now.
Why are we speaking in English?
Ayan.
One.
It looks so delicious now. It looks so delicious now. Kinda.
Three, diba?
Yeah.
Damihan kaya natin na para baka mas masarap. Hindi pwede.
Really?
Baka sobrang
Good job.
sobrang lambot.
Mix it very well after
Let's go with that.
Konti nga to.
Oh, that's a good thing. You should have a victory hug.
Wala tayong ay, toppings natin yung binili nating walnut.
Tama, tama.
Tsaka yung almond.
Okay, well,
Mahirap na siyang anuhin. Baka kailangan ng ano.
take care of the rest. Okay, on you go.
Mahirap na siyang anuhin.
Ready? Break.
Yeah, I don't know the
So
English.
hard.
We'll work on that. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so after mixing it together, we'll put it right here. And then we'll put some toppings.
Why it's greasy?
Walnut and almonds. Yay! Ang awkward pala magsalita sa crumpled pieces.
I'll get the strippers.
Oh, ikaw naman.
Next player.
Hindi pa ba okay?
Kasi merong ubo pa eh.
Pero konti na lang.
Ang pangit mo naman mag-anong
Ow!
Ganun mo para mapisat.
Okay.
Kasi we need to pisat it, right?
We need to take it down.
It doesn't look like it's popping.
Oh my god, it looks like a slime.
Okay na yan.
Okay na yan. Okay guys, so we already preheated the oven for 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we're gonna put this. Oh, I don't know. And we're gonna put the mix. Yeah. So we're gonna put almonds and walnuts right there. Ooh!
Ay, ang konti. Ang laki ng lagayan natin.
Oh my god, it's gonna be thin brownie.
Oo nga. Pwede na yan. Kaya lang naman eh.
Hindi, parang okay lang.
Three stars. The more prone to violence,
Simutin mo dyan.
the more stars.
Yung half walnut, yung half.
Almonds. So lalabas siya cookie, hindi siya. Hindi siya brownie. Cookie siya, cookie kasi
Kala ko madami.
sakto pala na kung box, kung yung box mo, yung makapal siya.
Lilipat natin.
Pwede.
Hindi, okay na.
Kasi greasy naman siya, so matatanggal siya immediately. Guys, error! Tapon na to.
Okay, or ano?
Okay na yan. Okay na kumain ng parang cookies sa labas kasi manipis.
No, ma, we're vlogging.
So, we're not doing a brown.
Hey guys, we're back! And you can even see what we're doing. It's too high.
Okay na yan.
Recess!
Yok, hindi pa bake.
Masarap.
Yeah, it's very good!
Hindi na. Ano na? Bakit na ako preheat na yan?
Don't mind
The popping sound.
the stopping background noise.
Customers tell them why everyone is switching to Freeway. Cool.
It's so good, guys. It's very good.
Boy, do not eat the raw butter. Sabi sa ano.
Great auto insurance at an affordable price. Freeway Insurance is the answer. 800-760-4018. 800-760-4018.
One thing never changes. Life never stands still.
She's now decorating the brownie cookie. The brookie.
Brookie nga.
Brookie?
The all-new Omaha by Ashley, offering superior modular comfort. So whenever life brings your way, you can keep moving without missing a beat.
Oh, half walnut, half almond.
Is it fair?
United States pay higher drug prices than other countries.
Is it evenly distributed?
Country in the world weighed down with 3
Where is the owner of the channel?
Here.
Meanwhile, Americans subsidize the research and development for new cures. Other countries benefit, but don't pay their fair share. Crack down on the middlemen. End the free riding.
Pwede natin siya isaw-saw sa milk.
Mopping is hard work, but I thought it was the only way I could get my floors truly clean. And then I tried the Swiffer Power Mop and realized that I can get clear floors.
That's so good. You're doing amazing.
You're doing amazing, sweetie.
Hindi mo mahulog to. Wow.
Look at that.
Look at that. That masterpiece.
Looks yummy, right?
Say yes. Or else.
Magkano katagal daw? I-bake. Bake.
Bake on rack in center of oven, following chart below. Add 3 to 5 minutes for glass pan. Brownie is a toothpick insert.
You can't. 5-star view.
Parang leche flan lang. Pagka yun naman yung toothpick.
Quick tip, refrigerate brownies for 30 minutes before cutting for the nearest square.
This
But
is a
it's not.
circle. So it's okay.
We're gonna bake it for
Convicts are starting up a football team. Not interesting. Playing the guard.
third, 3 to 5 minutes. So I think 35 is okay. 35.
Yes, and just add if it's not okay.
350. 35.
Let's go.
Ma!
Let's go to the
Ikaw,
beach.
mainit yun eh!
Ma, you're the owner of this channel. Wait.
It's hot.
Wait lang. Meron tayong pot-holder dito na
Yes. Let's
for
use
the
that.
Oven. Masyado namang close up yun. Assist me, please.
Release me here.
Sa gitna daw, di ba? So, ang middle ito.
Middle, ito. Usog mo pa.
Yes, good job, mother. You're doing amazing.
Ay, wag naman!
In the center daw.
Mahirap kunin.
Pag yan hindi naluto ha.
Mm. Kasalanan ni mama.
Ilang minutes? Parang 3 to 5 minutes lang ah.
35.
35 minutes.
Half inch lang yan eh.
350. Bake time. 30 minutes.
Nakatagal na.
Yes, ma.
Manipis lang yan.
Eh, di gawin natin 30. 30.
Okay na yung 30 na.
Yeah.
Hala, it's not,
Wala. 10 minutes lang.
yeah, it's not going above
Oops.
30.
Hey guys, this is the finished product. Hindi na kami makapag-antay ng ilang minuto kaya. Because we're hungry.
Oh my god. It's not.
Kalahati lang.
Oh. Oh.
Yay, cheers tayo guys. Cheers.
This is how it turned out. My mom can wait to eat it.
Yeah.
Let's
Yay.
taste.
Tek na to.
Cheers. Ang sarap.
Ang lambot.
The best.
Sarap nga.
Crunchy ng gilid, no?
The milk.